Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple and easy shell stitch coaster pattern. For this purpose, I'm using a 3-ply yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook, which is basically a loose slip knot. Now to start your first row, make chain 2. Chain 2 is not counted as our stitch, so wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring again, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make your first double crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make double crochet 2. Then again wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make double crochet 3. Repeat the same pattern and complete 12 double crochet stitches. After completing 12 double crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn tail to form a ring and go into the first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your first row. Now for the second row, again start with chain 2 and go into the very first double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches here. Double crochet 1 into the same double crochet 2. We are going to make 2 double crochet stitches into every stitch. So go into the second one and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. Now go into the third one and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. So repeat this pattern till the end of the row and complete 24 double crochet stitches according to the multiple of 12. After completing 24 double crochet stitches, go into the top of first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Now for the third row, again start with chain 2, go into the very first double crochet stitch and make double crochet 1. Now into the second stitch, make increase and make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch like this. So this is the pattern for third row. Go into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Go into the next stitch and make 2 double crochet. So we are going to repeat this pattern of 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet till the end of the row, and we will have total of 36 double crochet stitches in the end. And after completing third row and making slip stitch for the fourth row, make chain 2, go into the very same stitch and make double crochet 1. Into the next, make double crochet 2. Now into the next, make our increase stitch, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now this is the pattern for fourth row, 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet. So go into the next and make 1 double crochet, go into the next and make 1 double crochet and then go into the next and make 2 double crochet here, 1 and 2. So repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing this pattern, now we are going to start our shell stitch pattern. So make chain 1, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make your first single crochet stitch. Then wrap the yarn, skip second single crochet stitch and go into the third single crochet stitch. Here we are going to make our shell stitch. So make your double crochet 1 into the same double crochet 2, make chain 1, into the same stitch, make 2 more double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. Now skip 1 double crochet, go into the next and make a single crochet stitch. So this is the pattern for this row. We are making our shell stitches. So wrap the yarn, skip 1 stitch, go into the next and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch, and then skip 1 stitch, go into the next and make a single crochet stitch. So this is the pattern. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing 5th row, make a slip stitch to first single crochet stitch. Now make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. From here we are going to start our 6th row. So make chain 3, wrap the yarn, go into the next, chain 1 space and make double crochet 1, into the same double crochet 2. Now make chain 2 here, chain 1 and chain 2. After making chain 2, go into the same, chain 1 space and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. Now into this first double crochet stitch here, make double crochet 3. So this is the pattern: 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. For this row I will show you one more time. Go into the second double crochet of our second shell and make double crochet 1. Go into the chain 1 space and make double crochet 2, make double crochet 2. Go into the same chain 1 space and make double crochet 3 and then make chain 2. Go into the same chain 1 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, into the next double crochet stitch, double crochet 3. So this is the pattern. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing this row, go into the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Then go into the next double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Go into the next, from here we are going to start our next row. So make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now go into the second double crochet and make double crochet 2. Now go into the chain 2 space and make double crochet 3, double crochet 4. After completing 4 double crochet stitches including chain 3, make chain 2, go into the same chain 2 space again and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, into the next double crochet stitch, double crochet 3, into the next double crochet stitch, double crochet 4. So now again go into this second double crochet stitch of our second shell and make double crochet 1, into the next double crochet 2, into the next chain 2 space, double crochet 3 and double crochet 4. Then make chain 2, go into the same chain 2 space again and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, into the next stitch double crochet 3, into the next double crochet 4, and repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing the row, you can see this is super simple and easy coaster. And if you know how to make a crochet circle, you can also make a crochet doily. You can pull the extra yarn and then you can weave this extra yarn with the help of needle to some backside stitches and make a knot first here in the starting yarn tail and then weave this yarn too. So your work may not lose from the start. So make a knot first. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. So please try this pattern. You can even use your leftover yarn to make these small coasters and doilies. So must try this pattern. It's super simple and easy. I hope you guys like this pattern. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.